Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video we are going to see how to create Mailchimp subscriber on FlexiFunnels form submission. So here my objective is that whenever a new form will be submitted in FlexiFunnels, then automatically a subscriber should be created in Mailchimp. And for that I'm simply going to create a connection between FlexiFunnels and Mailchimp with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is FlexiFunnels and my action application is Mailchimp. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create Mailchimp subscriber on FlexiFunnels form submission automatically. And for that, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help us to automate this entire process. So this is the landing page of this software, and to directly reach to this landing page, you can search for www.pabbly.com/connect. And now on my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you are a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes. And yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I am an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. So now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. And if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this plus icon over here and create a new folder. And now again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared, which is asking us to name the workflow. So I am going to name my workflow as create Mailchimp subscriber on FlexiFunnels form submission. And as you can see over here that we have to select a folder, and for that I'm going to click on this drop down over here, and here you will find all the folders which we have created earlier. So I'm simply going to select FlexiFunnels to Mailchimp, and now let's click on create. So as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of a trigger application. So now my trigger application is going to be FlexiFunnels. Let's click on this. And here we have to select a trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this. And here you will find two options, new form submission and new purchase. I'm simply going to select new form submission, and it says triggers when a new form submission is received. Let's select this. And now as you can see over here that we have received a webhook URL which will act as a bridge between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect. And it will help us to connect our FlexiFunnel account and our Pabbly Connect account. And given below here are the steps to set up this webhook URL. So firstly, I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here. And after that, let me take you to my FlexiFunnels account. And this is the project which I want to select. So I'm going to click on project settings over here. And after that, I'm going to select my page, and my page is PC integration. So I'm going to click on this. So as you can see that this is the page, and now I'm going to click on edit page. And this is the page which I have created. Now I'm going to click on this, and after that I'm going to click on settings over here. And here in style settings, I'm going to click on settings. And after that, I'm going to click on connect here. And then I'm going to click on webhook. So here we have to enter the webhook URL, which we have received through Pabbly Connect. And after that, we have to name our webhook. And for that, I'm going to name my webhook as testing. And after that, I'm going to paste the webhook URL, which we have received through Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save. And we have successfully connected our FlexiFunnels account with our Pabbly Connect account. Let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. And now as you can see over here that it says waiting for webhook response, and there is a note. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So let's go back to our FlexiFunnels account. So now I'm going to click on save. And after that, I'm going to click on publish. And we have successfully published our page. And after publishing this page, I'm going to click on action. And over here in action, I'm going to click on published URL. And this is the page which I have created, and now I'm going to enter all the dummy details over here to do a test submission. So I have entered all the dummy details. For the first name I have entered current, for the last name user, and for the email address current user @pabblytudes.com, and this is the phone number. So now I'm going to click on submit. And we have successfully submitted our form. Let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have received a response or not. And as you can see over here that we have successfully received a response. The first name is current, the last name is user, email address is currentuser@pabblytudes.com, which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. And now my action application is going to be Mailchimp. Let's click on this. And after that, here we have to select an action event. Let's click on this. And here you will find various action events, but I'm simply going to select add new member with custom fields. Let's select this. And after that, I'm going to click on connect. And now to connect our Mailchimp account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. And now to add a new connection, here we have to enter the API key and the data center. And to find both these details, here are the steps given. So now to enter the API key, let's go to our Mailchimp account. And here in Mailchimp account, I'm going to click on my profile. And here I'm going to click on profile again. And after that, I'm going to click on extras. And here in extras, you will find API keys. Now scroll it down till the end. And after that, you will find create a key. So I'm going to click on create a key. And here we have to give our API key a name. So I'm naming my API key as demo key. Now let's click on generate key. So here I have received the API key. Now I'm going to click on copy to clipboard. So as I've copied this API key from here, I'm going to paste it over here in my Pabbly Connect account. And now to enter the data center, let's go to our Mailchimp account again. And over here you will find the data center. So I'm simply going to copy this data center from here, and after that I'm going to paste it over here in my Pabbly Connect account. So as I've entered all the required details to add a new connection, I'm going to click on save. And we have successfully connected our Mailchimp account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now let's move ahead. I have selected my audience list as Pabbly Connect, and here we have to enter the email address which is required. And for that I'm going to use a method called as mapping. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous step. So I'm going to map the detail from the previous response which I have received through FlexiFunnels, and the email address is currentuser@pabblytudes.com. Now let's move ahead. So here we have to enter the tags and the interest, but it is not required, so I'm leaving it empty over here. But if you want to enter all the details, so you can do that as per your requirements. Now let's move ahead. Here we have to enter the first name, last name, and that mobile number. So I'm going to map the first name, last name, and the mobile number from the previous response which I have received through FlexiFunnels. So the first name is current and the last name is user. And the mobile number is this. So as I have entered all the required details, now I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. And as you can see over here that we have received a positive response and the status says subscribed. And the full name is current user, email address is currentuser@pabblytudes.com, which means we have successfully created a subscriber in our Mailchimp account. Now let's go back to our Mailchimp account and check whether we have created a subscriber or not. So now I'm going to refresh this page once. So as you can see over here that we have successfully created a subscriber named as current user, and email address is currentuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully connected our FlexiFunnels account with our Mailchimp account with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. So as we have successfully set up our trigger and action applications and it was a successful workflow, so let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is FlexiFunnels and my trigger event is new form submission. Here my action application is Mailchimp and my action event is add new member with custom fields. And if you also want to create Mailchimp subscriber on FlexiFunnels form submission, then simply follow this workflow step by step. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to us at this website. And if you find this video helpful in any way, then do not forget to share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.